Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked at IRS for 10 long years. I've been on all the major news stations. Go to my website at 777irs.com. I'm a national expert in tax resolution matters. So how does IRS pick up your tax return for audit? I've gone over this 1,000 times, but yet 1,000 people ask me this question, so I got to repopulate this all the time because people don't want to dig deep into the YouTube channels and stations. So I'm going to tell you this: IRS pulls your return for audit because of their computer system. Their computer system pulls your return for audit. It's called the DIF score, the Discriminatory Index Function score. What does that do? It scans your computer, the algorithms, and on the back of every return, boom, your DIF score is there. Now, does that mean your tax return is going to be pulled for audit? No. But what that means is the propensity for IRS to look deeper at it is really high. So let's say IRS is auditing all DIF scores at 100. And let's say your DIF score is 140. Well, the propensity of IRS looking at that return is going to be great. Now, how does that DIF score pull these numbers up? Well, let's say there's, in the state you're living in, maybe in the county or the zip code, let's say there's 800 people making 100,000. There's national or local statistics set up based on all the expenses, the losses, the gains, everything. There's probably, my guess, over 700 filters on this. And IRS runs those filters and it pops up different flags and DIF scores. When IRS sees your tax return is way gone out of this, IRS will look at this return. Now, let me tell you a little tip. Let's say you have a high interest expense. You can take that interest statement that you have from an institution, put it on the back of your return. So if IRS is looking at it, they'll see, gee, this person actually has that. So that's a little trick that most people won't tell you that you can go ahead and employ. We are really good for IRS audit representation. We have a bunch of former agents and appeal agents on staff, so if you need us, call me. I answer all my calls. So now you know the truth. Thank you for your ear today. I appreciate it.